Hello and welcome to our video on how to remove unnecessary programs and files from your computer. Over time, your computer can become cluttered with programs and files that you no longer need or use. This can slow down your computer's performance and take up valuable storage space. In this video, we'll share some tips on how to clean up your computer and remove unnecessary programs and files. Tip 1. Uninstall programs you no longer use. The first step in removing unnecessary programs from your computer is to uninstall any programs that you no longer use. These programs take up space on your hard drive and can slow down your computer's performance. To uninstall a program, go to the control panel and select Programs and Features. From there, you can select the program you want to uninstall and click Uninstall. Tip 2. Use Disk Cleanup to remove temporary files. Disk Cleanup is a built-in tool in Windows that can help you remove temporary files and other unnecessary items from your computer. To use Disk Cleanup, go to the Start menu and search for Disk Cleanup. Select your hard drive and click OK. The tool will then scan your computer for temporary files and other items that you can remove. Check the boxes next to the items you want to delete and click OK to remove them. Tip 3. Remove old downloads. Downloads can take up a lot of space on your hard drive, especially if you don't clean them up regularly. To remove old downloads, go to your Downloads folder and delete any files that you no longer need. You can also use a third-party software like CCleaner to scan for and remove old downloads. Tip 4. Delete duplicate files. Duplicate files can also take up space on your hard drive and slow down your computer's performance. To remove duplicate files, you can use a third-party software like Duplicate Cleaner or Oslogic's Duplicate File Finder. These tools can scan your computer for duplicate files and help you delete them. Tip 5. Clear your browser cache. Your web browser stores temporary files, such as images and website data, in a cache. Over time, this cache can become bloated and slow down your browser's performance. To clear your browser cache, go to the Settings or Options menu in your browser and select Clear Browsing Data. From there, you can select the items you want to delete, such as cookies and cache, and click Clear Data. That's it for our tips on how to remove unnecessary programs and files from your computer. We hope these tips help you clean up your computer and improve its performance. If you have any questions or other tips, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.